so big. That's what she said. New Type, my sponsor, hook me up. Do you see how motherfucking Nemesis, man? Holy smackaboos. I gotta put the camera all the way up. See the kitty? See the kitty? What's up, kitty? Sorry, no kitty cam today, man. Soul doesn't condone negativity, so she's like, Daddy, I'm not gonna go on your stream while you sit there and talk negative about people. You know, her name is Soul, which is sun in Spanish. She brings the light, and she didn't appreciate me not bringing the light, so she's like, I'm not gonna go on your stream, Daddy. I was like, I understand, daughter. I understand. Oh yeah, of course I gotta remember the gun. Working like a charm. Look at that. So I kind of cheated. So I'm like a Kshatriya. I fucking just put this gun next to the Kshatriya like it was doing something. It wasn't even holding the gun or anything. I just put it next to it. That was funny. But man, do you see this kid? Jesus. Let's get this camera straight. This kit is a it's $130. Yeah, this kit's $130. It's a 1/100, which is not bad if you think about it. For $130 for this, and you get a crazy fucking base too. All right, hold up. Where is it at? I want to show. I mean, come on, look at that base. This is why I bought it. This is why. This pose right here is why I bought the kit. Look at that. Look at that pose, man. It's so clean. So this is like one of those kits where like you don't even have to do any detailing, man. Just pick your color scheme. You probably have to do zero scribing. No, nothing. You literally just need to pick a fire ass color scheme and just paint it, or just paint it the way it is. I don't know. Cause like the way they're doing these kits, man, there's not much like you can do to like upgrade the details on this. I mean, you can, of course. You can always add so much more detail, but it's like really no need, man, because I mean, just look how menacing this thing looks. But yeah, if you want to get this, I'll put the link in the chat. Check it out. I don't have a promotion code, but just let them know I sent you in the checkout. Who knows? If I get enough people say it, they'll give me one. Cause I know NewType back in the days before COVID hit, NewType used to have a lot of their team NewType, like the actual builders. They all used to have like a personal 10% code, and you can. Man, I used to rack up that 10% code back in the day. So I used to use it for like Instant Gundam. I used to use it for like Frosted Snow. My other Gunpla sister. So I used to always use her code to buy stuff. Like it was dope. But then like, you know, COVID hit and inflation, the 30% gas bullshit. So yeah. So they took the promotion away, which I understand, but yeah. I don't even know how I'm gonna fucking do this on. How you even do this shit on stream, man? I gotta like lean back. Hey everybody, don't forget, you can get this chair at my website, Gunplahrazzi.com. or it's Amazon dot slapper. I said Slapperazzi. All right, I gotta put this on the floor. This probably doesn't look very good, does it? At this angle. I'm gonna get all the views. All right, everybody, let me get an F in chat for fuck salty. Oh, what is this? What the fuck is that? The presentation is nice. You see this? Damn. Oh, it's 2 boxes. I like that. Oh, I like that a lot, actually. Oh, that's dope. Come here. Come here. My cat wants to come say hi. Oh, this is dope. So it comes in 2. Oh, that's dope. So you got your main kit and you got the backpack. And of course, we're gonna check out the backpack first. We want to see the toys, man. We want to see the toys first. Yeah, that looks good though. The Nemesis. Damn! Look how big that fucking thing is. Holy fuck, that shit is fucking huge. Why is that shit so huge? This is the lizards. The fuck? Oh, fancy. Oh, that's crazy because this is the year of the snake. I like that, Infinity Dimensions. I like that. I like that. I appreciate that. Oh no, I smashed my book. My book is smashed. No. No. So I have a confession to make while I open this up. I've been painting this kit, right? I know you guys remember, right? I'm almost done painting it. So I've just been doing it off stream. I lost the instructions. I cannot, for the life of me, find the fucking instructions. I've looked for over 5 hours in my fucking house. I went everywhere like this, and I can't find the fucking instructions to this motherfucker. Hey, what's up, Johan? I lost the instructions, so like, I'm gonna have to build it by memory. But I did build it on stream. I might have to go back and watch myself build it on stream so I know how to build it because I don't have no fucking direction. I got too many Gundams. It's a good problem and a bad problem. So this is a weird, wow, this is kind of very interesting instruction manual. Woo! Woo! That's sick. I love that shit. What you could do is screenshot this, upload it to your computer, fucking fill in the fucking things with different colors, and you can fuck around with the color scheme. and see what you like and what you don't like. Man, I can't lie. I might just do this color scheme. But what I'll do is, like, usually when I paint a kit, like, I want to change it a little bit. So, like, I'll paint it the same colors. I'll just use a different type of white. I'll use a different type of red. Like, I'll use, like, an offset red or a Ferrari red or, like, or, like, I'll take this red and I'll add a little bit of black to it just to make it a little bit darker. Add a little pink to it, to the red, to make it a little bit brighter. You can add a little bit of yellow to, like, it's just different shit you can do to change the color up with just a little bit, but still keep it the same. Like instead of this, like, this gray, I'll probably use black. I don't, that's like Gundam gray. I don't really like that color too much for this. So I would probably make that Gundam gray black. Definitely. Oh yeah. Then I add like gray here. Like the light gray, I would make gunmetal. Yeah, oh man. Wow, these instructions are pretty impressive, man. Pretty impressive. I love this artwork though, man. This artwork is so beautiful. Advanced Strategic Revenge Titan. Ooh. Dude, that's so beautiful. I love this. I love this shit, man. Like I told you, all day I can look at this shit. What is this? It kind of looks like the Aegis for a second. I didn't notice that. That's pretty dope. I like that reverse. Is that like a shark fin? The fin in the back of the head. What is even that? I never noticed that before. Is that like a normal thing? No, you don't see it. So why does he have the... What if it's just concept art? I can't lie, man. I really like how the Infinity Dimensions does like the gear stuff. Because on the Lizard, it has these type of parts as well. And they look really good. This is beautiful. Oh, I love that shit so much. Like blade wings or sword wings, I guess is what they're called. Love that shit. Ooh, look at that. What's this? Is that Atlantis? That's how I feel like what Atlantis would look like. There's Mars. Oh, the main pie is actually a dude. I'll take that. Oh, he's a white dude? Oh, yeah. Okay. What is this? Is that... Oh. No. I just realized something. I have this kit. This is the Nemesis. This is the Genesis. Nemesis? Genesis. Or just a Genesis. Genesis. No way. I guess they're in the same world, I guess, huh? Or is it like Oh, their 10-year anniversary. Congratulations, Infinity Dimensions. Well, let's check out these goodies, though. No, sir, I don't have any checkout codes, unfortunately. What's up, apartment 5 studio? Thanks for stopping by. Let them know that I sent you, though. Then maybe eventually, if I get enough people, they'll give me a code. All right, let's see what goodies we got. What is this? Oh, decals. Okay. So it comes with a metal frame. That's dope. Oh, we got some die-cast parts. Okay. Oh, wow. Hey, I appreciate you, fam. Wow, this feels so good. Like, it's metal, but this feels so good though. Wow. Dude, Bandai, what is Bandai doing, dude? Huh. I never understood why Bandai made us put this part together. Oh, damn, this thing is just, wow, this does not move. Holy crap. Oh, wow, that thing does not move. That's good. That means it's going to be a strong kit. Wow. Damn. Man, I'm supposed to work on my GBWC build. Now I just want to build this shit. All right, let's check this book out. Wow, these instructions are very. Oh wow, wow, it's color. Ooh, ooh. I'm really impressed right now because it's color coded. So when you're building it, you can actually see the fucking color. Like, know how helpful that is for some people? Wow, that is going to be really helpful for people to build this. That is color coordinated. Wow. So like, especially for beginners that want to like, they still want to build this kit though, but they're intimidated. Man, you don't have to be intimidated because it's literally, it's color coded. That's fucking amazing. Wow, I'm impressed with the, dude, everyone is color coded. The whole wow. Oh, I saw that rod. Okay. Oh, so, they even give you like a little rod. That's cool. I like that. See, they didn't have to give you a fucking rod for that, but they do. That's cool. But this base is stupid. Do you see this fucking base? Oh, so it's like the lizard. It's like the lizard base, but then if you want, you can upgrade it and put all the stuff around it. Oh, he has like an open hatch mode. All these nice little hatches and flaps that open and move. Wow, they actually put the fucking sticker. Not the number, but the actual sticker of what. Wow. Hold on. They literally put the decal item next to the number, so like you know exactly. Wow, the Nemesis, guys. And apparently the other kit that I have is connected to this somehow. I guess I'll go and show you that real quick, might as well. And this is the other one, the Genesis. It's made by the same company, Infinity Dimensions, and this is the one that was in the book at the end. All right, was it the end or the beginning? It was in the end. I think, right? Yeah, the Genesis. Yeah, it's this kid. This one. It's this guy. You can tell by the wings. Yep. Yep. Like I was saying earlier, like with these kits, like you don't have to do any scribing, like any like detail work really if you want. You literally just have to pick a fire ass color scheme and just paint it that color. You're fucking golden, man. Look at this shit. I've been wanting to build this kit too, but I just haven't had, man, there's just so many kits, it's just hard to get to. Probably the main reason why I haven't built this kit yet because of the, it's transforming. I don't like transforming kits. Because as a painter, all the moving around, you're going to scratch, chip, flake. Disintegrate. There's nothing worse when you fucking put it together and you're like, oh, this shit looks good. Then you move the leg a little bit and you chip the fucking paint off. Oh, talking about some pain, bro. Hydrate for the stream. So, excuse me. I'm gonna do a giveaway. Yeah, since I'm such a fucking bigot, Nazi dictator, I'm gonna do a giveaway. I'm gonna give away a kit. I'm going to give away 2 kits. I'm going to give away a brand new kit. And I'm going to give a kit that I personally painted. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to give 2 kits away. I'm going to give first place a brand new kit. Then I'm going to give second place a painted kit for myself. You might even get a resin kit because I need to get rid of some kits. And I might even give you a fully painted resin kit. So I'm going to post all the information on my Instagram within the next couple of days. And then we're going to do this giveaway, boys. I'm going to put my money where my mouth is. And I'm going to give away a dope-ass Gundam. What Gundam should I give away? Should I give away like a new Gundam, or should I give away something that's kind of rare that you just can't find type of Gundam? So I have this master grade Gundam that I think I want to give it away. Gunplahrazzi. Oh, I shouldn't do that. They're gonna screenshot me and they're gonna post me everywhere like they did Elon. Razzi did this. They did the hot whatever the fuck it's called. Oh man, this has been a very fun stream. Thanks, guys. I appreciate you guys being here, man. I appreciate you guys being here. Yo, thanks for checking out the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Hit that bell. Please share the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.